It's always the left wing that comes up with movements, and the right wing that comes up with counter movements. Never with their own movement or idea that they rise up for to bring positive change. Example: you see lots of pro-life people. Black cat, just give me the coffee and nobody gets hurt. Vintage shirt. But you'll never see them start a movement to provide soon-to-be mothers with a support system, or anything like that. They don't seem to think of solutions, but rather how to avoid what they see as a black cat. Just give me the coffee and nobody gets hurt. Vintage shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. They banned radical hate groups, but people can't put the two together for some reason. I mean, I understand the point in not wanting popular subs to include slurs in its name, no matter its content. This black cat, just give me the coffee and nobody gets hurt. Vintage shirt. If you need help with something or are looking to contact an admin, try looking other product.